Oh, it's cold.
Why didn't we just bring a shovel and dig a hole in the water?
2, 1. We're going down. Oh! I mean, we're gonna learn every time we do it, you know?
Yeah.
Here we are. Ben's gonna be picking me up here in the Defender. Looks like he's trying to leave me. We're gonna be cold plunging today in the ocean. Something we've been doing for a while. I'll show y'all how.
Oh. So what's the plan here? Harbor, towel, plunge, water. I was down there earlier. The tide is freaking a mile out, so we're gonna have to walk through all the crabs and lobsters to get there.
That's not ideal. Yeah, I will say one of my biggest fears is water I can't see in.
Yeah.
So when it's all murky and you can't see what's under there, even though it's the PNW Pacific, it's, you know, there's no sharks in there.
No, there is sharks. I don't know. My dad was telling me they just discovered like this channel deep that sharks traveled like right to the ocean. Great whites,
Big ones.
yeah.
That's weird. There's been no shark attacks though, like ever.
Seals still, they're coming up like 1 to 2 feet away from you, just popping their heads up like.
Yes, that is cool. Maybe we can get one of those seals on camera.
Yeah.
That'd be great.
Grabbed our towels.
Yeah.
It's that freaking new kid. He's like, "Where are you going?" He doesn't know yet. He doesn't know who I am.
He doesn't know. So we've been going to this gym for a while. Well, you want to tell the routine here?
Routine is show up to Harbor Square. They're like, "Oh, it's the plunge guys." They give us towels and we come back in 10 minutes. But there's this new kid that he just doesn't want to let us leave with towels because he thinks we'll never come back. I don't know.
The weekend crew.
Yeah.
We started doing this in the wee hours of the morning, in the darkness. Probably like, what, 5 in the morning?
When I would wake up and you'd be going to bed.
Yeah, that was the routine.
Yeah.
Yeah. We go back to Harbor Square. We hop in the sauna.
Sauna, steam room, hot tub.
Yeah, whatever's not broken at the time.
Dude, I wonder if the steam is up and running.
Ooh, yeah, they did redo the steam room. I don't know if I can film in there, but
Too many Johnsons.
Yeah, we'll keep it clean. PG. But it's a beautiful day. First day that I think it's broken 60 this year in the PNW. Oh, it's cold. Let's go, bud. Oh, there's a lot of seaweed. I don't like seaweed. I do not love seaweed. Hey, a seashell. It's very shallow. So,
We gotta walk out a ways, yeah?
yeah, I'll wait for you. It's not gonna get any deeper over here. All right, let's try it. When the tide goes out, it's
Oh no.
We lost the mic.
Oh no. Get it quick, get it quick, get it quick.
I'm just gonna shut you off.
Dude, it's just hard to lay down with the hat on. Why didn't we just bring a shovel and dig a hole in the water?
3, 2, 1. We're going down. Oh!
Oh, 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 shit.
Oh! It's 54.
Water's 54.
Is that a seal over there?
Honestly, the shallow is nice because the sun just hits you tough, but so what we're experiencing now is, it's been a while for Jerry and he's shivering uncontrollably. You just gotta get his breathing under control a little bit.
Well,
This feels pretty lame. How are you keeping your feet down? Dude, mine just float up.
I'm flexing because I'm cold.
It's not that bad, bud. Come on, come on.
It's been a long time waiting for the sun to come out in Seattle.
Freaking 6 months.
6 months that it's been in the 40s and 50s, 30s, 20s.
It sucks because it's the most beautiful to plunge during like spring and summer. You know, January, February, March, we're walking out here and there's 6 inches of snow. It's pouring down rain. It's 5 in the morning. It's pitch black, and it's 25 degrees outside, and the water is 40, 42. That's where you really feel it. This is a hot tub. This is a hot tub session from a cold plunge standpoint.
Yeah.
Yeah. But how are you feeling?
I think the shivers are starting to set in.
Just
Which
now?
is good, yeah.
I think they were when you got in, but
No, like the actual, like, you know.
it's weird too. You know, you don't ever get any more used to it, other than the fact that you kind of get the control to like monitor your body heat and like be okay with it.
Yeah.
Because
I think the psychological, mental block of not wanting to get in the water.
that
does
subsides.
get easier. Yeah.
That subsides.
I'll never forget the first week. Like, the first day was so hard. I was anxious the whole night at work, just thinking about
Yeah.
it was raining, and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's cold outside. I can't even imagine getting in that water.
But then you get that want, that urge,
Yeah.
that itch, you know?
Yeah, then you start to crave it. You probably did it for a good, like, 60, 90 days straight.
Yep.
Just about.
Every day, 5 a.m. It's a great way to really just find the ground, find the world.
Some seaweed.
Yeah, find some seaweed. You know, start your day with your toes in the sand, look up to the sky.
All right.
Yeah, ready? I'm gonna swim
Going
back
good.
a little bit to get all the sand off me, but
Yeah. So unfortunately, I'm shivering a little bit. I did lose a mic. So Sven's running to grab the towels. We left them in the car. I'm trying to warm up a little bit here. Oh, towels. Okay. So, how was it?
it was the easiest one I've ever done. I'm not gonna lie.
That was a good one. Yeah. It's so hard to control your shivers. Interviews in the ocean.
Interviews in the ocean.
Oh. Getting those full benefits.
Oh, dude,
Enjoying the shiver.
that's
Oh.
woo! Atta boy. The
great thing is we have a steam room waiting for us. Maybe. We warmed up a little bit and feeling a little bit better now.
Yeah, sauna was luckily at least 180 up at Harbor. Normally, the sauna there is 150 degrees, and you have to be in there for, 30 minutes before you feel anything.
Yeah. So,
Steam room's still down, but
we warmed up. Little hot shower. The shivers went away.
yeah.
Now the plan is
You were taking all the room up in the shower, too.
all the heat at the room. We use separate showers. I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
Plan is now we're going to hit the beach, grill out a little bit. Stay tuned.
I'm about it.
What do we got going on here? Austin, give us a tour.
Hot dogs, buns, ketchup, mustard, relish, chips, salsa.
It's looking good. Where'd you get this little grill?
Got this. This is like a wedding present.
Very nice.
The juice isn't worth the squeeze. Yeah, money-wise, there's not as much repair.
All right, here we go. I was messing up my...
Joseph, do you guys do Navy stuff too?
Those things are just a hunk of steel.
Sven, how are we doing? Blakely, hot dogs are ready? Look at that.
In case, you know, we gotta make sure. So we go on there. We're doing all this work.
off.